You want to try this tonight? You put that in there? Here, let me. Go ahead. Okay, now what?
Hold up.
Is there still more bolts?
Hold up. You gotta get up in there, both of us. You know what I mean?
Is it still bolted down or am I tripping?
No, that's the way it is. Fucking heavy as fuck.
Okay. It's just solid iron, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Please don't fall. Wait.
I did this. This is the way I used to do it. Hold up.
Yeah, but you're not the way you used to be.
Move all that stuff out of my way.
Watch your head.
Okay. Pick it up.
It feels like it's stuck somewhere.
You got two fucking bolts.
That's
here.
what I was thinking. I'm like, okay.
Go ahead, get them off.
Okay.
I'll just stay right here.
Um,
No, I get off.
you wanna unscrew for me?
Yeah, give it to me.
Impact wrench. 9/16. And the other one? Here, I got this right here, Brian.
Remember, I have a thing on there.
Yes.
There you go. Get it in the front. Pick it up. If you can. Go it up.
Okay, where we going with it?
Over there. You got it?
Nope. Yep.
Yep. Got the fucking blown out thing right there. I see it.
Where?
Pull that up.
I'm trying to be delicate with it. Here.
No, but get another one in it.
Okay. Let me see. Screwdriver.
There's one right there, the big one. Here, get this up. Try not to get under that stuff inside there. Be careful, you know what I mean? You get another one of that.
I just stuck with the antifreeze.
Hmm?
So soak up this antifreeze.
Oh, that's fine. That's okay.
I'll try to see the bottom of these things, see which one's messed up.
You can see it by turning this fucking thing, you know what I mean? You need a little bit like hard to see.
We can stop. I got farther than what I thought I was gonna get today. You okay?
Yeah, I'm looking at my sock. Okay. Clean up. Do it again tomorrow.